That is a great question. I'm glad you asked. One of my favorite things to do is sort of mixing old with new. I don't know if it's a neurodivergent thing or what, if it's, but I love to subvert genres. And of course, there's also the added challenge of finding things in traditional finishes, but with a more modern styling. So, for example, when I'm looking at oil rub bronze faucets, a lot of them look like this or this. And that doesn't evoke a lot of contemporary or modern designs. So without spending, $1,200 on a faucet, what's a person to do? One of the products that I would recommend looking at is the Delta Trinsic. It's available in their Venetian bronze, which is an oil rub bronze finish. It is a warranted finish, so it's not going to change over time. And then as far as the cabinetry goes, you could do something like the Jamestown in thatch. That's actually part of the Diamond Express program through Lowe's. You can actually get solid plywood cabinets and slow close hinges and all of that. All of the high-end features, but at a lower discounted rate, and also available within 2 weeks instead of 4, 5, 6 weeks that you would usually wait for custom cabinets. If you want to talk more about it, hit me up. We'll come up with a plan. I'll get some measurements from you. We'll do a design. We'll video chat. We'll do the whole thing. Let me know if I can help.